hell no. We just got comfortable. What up, girl? What's up, baby? I know. She gotta go to the bathroom. She like, Dad, hold on. But yeah, that's fucked up, man. I swear. I'm fucking everybody all scared of Karen and shit. Like, what the hell? Like, bro. Like, you should have. I know. You should record. Yeah, but we were with Karen and stuff, right? We got in the house. My mom was like, yeah, I'm getting rid of Karen and this and the third. For what? Like, stop doing that. You the one who bought Karen and shit. You bought her and everything, right? You know what I mean? We could keep her. But fuck it. What's up? What up? Well, this is who I'm gonna be with. As soon as she get older, it's a whole fucking problem, bro. Now, oh, she's too big and this and third. Motherfucker, y'all all parenting her shit when she was young. I swear. I don't give a fuck no more. It's my shit, bro. I'll get the fuck out of everybody's house then. Exactly what I said. Shit. You see me? Bro. Hi, Kaka. Yeah. What up? Kaka, no. She don't let me be with me, man. She's like, let me do me, Dad. Let me be who I am, man. But yeah, that's the thing. If your man was your man, he would have been saved you. The fuck? I'm saying, like, well, parents, like, there's no one. Oh. Oh, yeah. You couldn't wait to go outside. I know. Yo, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get all her shit, all cash shit, and bring it right on. I don't care. Now, probably gotta do it. They be like, what up, y'all? If you, this is the plan. And we'll get all her shit. We'll get all her shit, right? And her bowls and stuff. And her plates and stuff. And, get all that shit, walk her home. Put it in the bag, walk her home, walk her home with us. We don't get her away for none. Hell no. It's a bad time for What up, y'all? Yeah, they want to hold. Yeah, but this is really what it is. I'm gonna have a great night, man. I'm like, this bother me, bro. This is like, bro, fuck, man. Like, bro, I'm not getting tired. It's a die hard. This is die hard for us, man. For sure. This is die hard for us. Yo! I ain't gonna get it, bro. Get your ball. We're kind of ready to pop it. I got ready to get to it. I said, scared. I said, I can't see at night anyway. I should would have hit my phone too. They ain't got on camera. Cal ready for it. Wow, real.
Hey, you wanna?
It's up to you. I mean, you could. No, that's like getting dark, bro. Yeah, let's play. But yeah, we worked too hard with her. We did everything. Daytime fucked it up, get away. We just started. I just don't want that to happen. We'll keep on her. I'm gonna fight for each and every time. gonna fight for it each and every time. Fight for it each and every time. Yeah, I think, man, when you have a dog, like, you gotta understand, when you're a dog from a baby, you don't want to mess that shit up, bro. You just don't. I'm not gonna mess it up. I'm not. Hell no. I just raised her for a long time. Now you tell me you gonna fuck it up and throw it away. That's what, man. I told her, like, that's what, man. Bro, like, yo, you wanted to shop to come on. Like, Carol, ain't doing Carol. Has nothing to do with nothing. It's you. You're selfish. You gotta just live your life and give up everything. That's wrong with my age. I don't want to hear the truth, but it's the truth. For real, for real. She's gone. Second when you get down, she's leaving like it's down. Ain't doing no space to leave. It's a workout from the top. It's been working for a long time either. Should be a long fucking time. It's been a minute. Yeah. Oh, hey, yeah, get him. Power position to move back and forth. Just watch. Good girl. I'll tell you. Hey, you got a leash when you're in that bend now. Know that. You don't want to be injured, girl. You don't want to be paralyzed, baby. Yeah, watch out for that shit, too. We in the yard. Tired. It's a workout for her, man. First day back. First day back. First day back, baby. You doing great. Hyper and everything, man. For real. Hyper and everything, baby. Off the leash. I mean, off the fence. That was deep. That was different. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. What y'all said to me, man? One more, girl. Yeah, man, just watch that technique shit. Just watch how she jump. Watch how before she jumps, she steps. You gotta step deep. She step an inch deep and jump up. Right? She got hop, she got calves. So her calves, muscle is tight. And when she jumps, you releasing the muscle. That's why she jumps so high. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Look how strong she is. Yeah, I got muscle, girl. God damn. Strong as hell. Fuck. She's strong as fuck, man. And I wasn't even holding that horn either. Hold that tight. Pause. You got that shit, man. Hey, you choking. Get off of it. But yeah, y'all said to him, man. Shit. I know. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know, but you've been told. But yeah, no. God, man, she has so much height, bro. Like, you're thinking of under an XL pit bull. Like, you gotta think it's a blue nose, right? But a lot of pit bulls are small and short and stuff, right? But Kara's are long. No, just short and stuff. But Kara's long, height-wise. and stocked up. Same, you know what I mean? Same thing. Like she just got so much height to it. I think she get it from mom or dad though. I'm not sure. One of them, I think one of them, but you can see, man, how athletic she is, how powerful she is. You know what I mean? That's just one thing about it. She teasing me. Still got it. You know what I mean? Still got that shit. So y'all just stay tuned. That's what I said, man. The more time you put in, the easier it'll get. Like we always say that. The more time you put in, you know what I mean? So y'all just stay tuned. That's it. Let's go, girl. Like, that's what I said. I try to get outside and run around as much as possible. I mean, literally. The girl. Your energy, baby. That's what you doing. Yes, you do. But yeah, man, like outside, all that shit. We do what the fuck we want to do. I mean, that's anything. Enjoy your dog. Somebody who we love to death, baby. You love for real. Fucking dog, man. Excuse my language, but yeah, bro. Shit, we come out here and we enjoy it. Like, Kara comes out here, do our job, our number twos and stuff. Yeah, Kara. Shit, I want her to bully them so they can say some shit to me. Yeah, let her off. Yeah, girl. Go, girls. Go, girls. Go, girl. Are you going to the house? Oh, come on. That's what you want. No, we're not. Yo, where you headed to? Show them look. Like, she keeps. I don't know. I know this though, but something is. She might be tracking something. That's probably what it is. She's tracking somebody's footsteps. Or a dog had been in the yard. Something like that. A dog. Look. You got that demon face. You know what I mean? You got that demon face. That demon eyes. But yeah. Y'all stay tuned, man. Shit. I always hit y'all when I hit y'all. You know what I mean? But like I always say, being observant and observant in different areas, yeah, it's boring, but where can we go? Like, I mean, where can we go? I don't fucking know what to do. Like, I'm stuck in probably. I mean, the fuck, what could we do? Yeah, I mean, shit. So I just gotta make the best out of everything. I do BS sometimes, but it be on demon times, or she be on point sometimes. Like, kind of switch it up a lot, so. But it's not around control. A dog, like, yeah, a dog, intimidate lady and her puppies. And you're too deep, close to her, so stop and look at you. And let you go walk past. You know what I mean? Shit, you know what I mean? So that's why I was like, yeah. If I was like, yeah, kind of just stop real good. You know what I mean? We're trying to eat stuff, let's go. Quit digging. Stop digging. I gotta kick her, like, bend her head down. Trying to find something to eat. Trying to be slicky. And then I don't want her to get sick. You know what I mean? So that's the last thing that you don't want. I always tell y'all. Dog do stuff like that, stand on point. Dad right there, you good. Look, he's right there. Dad. Y'all stay tuned though. The next one. Cap. Who woke up Keka? Feel good, man. It does. For real. Shit, we on the hunt, y'all. I'm playing. We just chilling. Doing what we do. You know what I'm saying? Just talk it over with y'all. But yeah, man, like, people always say it's hard getting a dog. Not really. No, it's not at all. It's not hard at all. Like, bro, we love Gary. Even though she's bad. Oh, fucking well, bro. Oh, well. People want the dog to be so obedient. I mean, if you get your dog being obedient, I mean, you just scared her because they're going to run over you. That's exactly what it is. When people train a dog to the point, you're just scared they're going to run over you. That lady walking her dog and shit. Yo. You're just scared because your dog will run over you. You know, and my fucking thing, they boss. Like, I'm boss, but yeah, I think a dog's a boss too. At their purpose in life too. They got a purpose in life too, just like we got a purpose in life. You got like, I don't ever want to hurt this girl. That's why when I'm smacking her, I don't want to smack her but once. Tie her on her butt and keep it going. That's like what we do. I don't do nothing else more like that. Hurting the dog and stuff. I don't like that shit. Nope. Yeah, I watch training dogs and stuff like that. It's cute dog. Yeah, dog gonna listen to you, but yeah, shit. If you can't get and stuff, you get it. But yeah, I need a trained dog. Like, if you're a dog dog don't listen to you. It's not about training. It's about your dog really love you. So that's why you train him. Look, your man and shit. Like, a dog, like, fuck, but it's good and all. I mean, don't get me wrong, like, shit. I mean, I always watch those, you know what I'm saying, who train a dog. It's just not me. That's not my style. That's all. But, yeah, that's stay tuned up. My Papa's house?
Did you see her puppy?
What you mean?
You got a puppy. Go with your puppy at. You ain't no giving her away. Call Angel and tell him.
Mom, now I said it's not easy doing that right now.
What I need to do for myself. I can tell you, I ain't gonna keep talking to you.
Dude, she ain't missing mom. Hear about mom all the time, Kat. You can't always cry with mom. No, you gotta be with us. You gotta be with us. Mom can't save you all the time, Kat. No, I'm not doing that shit. I don't want, no. Come on. We're gonna go in there and sugar talk. Or come on. Good girl. That good girl, Kaka. My doggy. It's my doggy. It's my doggy. It's my doggy, Kai. It's my doggy, baby. Yeah, doggy. Kai, I got a doggy. Okay, Kai. How bad you want it? And you got grip too. Okay, good girl. There you go. Don't tear it up now. You hear me? Look at her dog. That's something cute. Mom got it for her. You know what I mean? Kara deserves it, bro. Kara deserves everything, man. For real. She does. Oh, man, I'll fight for her. I always say that shit. I'll fight for her. It's her baby girls. For real. What's up, baby? Oh, you want to play? You want to play? Let me get it. That's that tune. Look at her. Look at you. Look, you're so cute. Look at you, just doggy. Look, it's like a mini you. Ten your own soul, huh? Yeah, look at you. Look at your doggy. Alright, she going to bumps again, bro. Did I tell you no more friends today? But no, it's your first day. That was it. I get doggy. Can I get doggy cow? Can I get doggy cow? No, she plays so good. Like, that's the best way to do with it, though. Like, they eat at the same time. Get that. Get it. There you go.
No?
Doggy.
No? No?
Doggy cow. Girl. Rubbing her on gruff, you know what I'm saying? We did everything from Kara, homeland, second homeland. We just got up here, you know what I mean? I told Kara, I'm like, man, bro, like, y'all say okay, yeah. Like, we already did everything over there. I'm bored over there. We gonna still come back over here each and every day. Oh, yeah. Each and every day, we gonna start coming over here, but so I said, change it up. I'm gonna change it up for y'all. And we're gonna end up switching this up to home vlogs, man, and then, yes, sir, home vlogs and everything. You know what I'm saying? We get home vlogs and do that, you know what I mean? From now on. Because it's a month of November. So we got posts every day for y'all. So, you know what I mean? That's just what I'm doing. I know, that's why she's. That's what it is. This was smart saying. Shit, cat, like, you know. Dude, cat, this smart saying girl, no. But yeah, man, we gotta get up here. We've been warring on. Get back to what we're doing, man. You should come up here every time. Every lot y'all seen our videos, and we was up here every time. You know what I mean? We had fun. We back into it. We just got up here today, so we'll see. But all the kids inside the house. They're all inside the crib and shit. That bit outside is quiet. I mean, but you over the fence, cat. Collision. I'll see if she does. She got odds, bro. She has potential to jump over. She got the potential to jump over this motherfucker. If she really wanted to, she'll do it. Or she won't crawl. She won't crawl over. But she's a smart cat. She's a smart cat. Everybody really, she's a smart cat. That's all. Yeah. Okay, I guess. I'd be forgetting at school. Hell yeah, bro. But no, the reason I'm yanking car so much, bro, I just want to let her. Because we would never get a chance to do that with her. Like, she knows she thinks she can do everything she wants. Like, sometimes, no, okay. Like, just, you say on point, I know you want to get your stuff like that, but all these animals got rabies and shit. You don't want that. Like, I always say that. You don't want rabies. Too much of those anyway, bro. From stuff. Even though all I heard don't got their shots. They don't got their shots. Or like even with Max and like Crash, they got shots and stuff, so they're cool. It's just that being around the dogs, you get sick quick. Like say the dog don't got shots, right? And then, as an example, the dog got the cat don't got a shot, or like anybody other animals or shit like that, or like of course they're gonna be woods, but like say you carry like a dirt shit, right? She'll be sick. Just shit like that. That's why I make sure she's cool. Girl, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have to get my knowledge because people like you get like that's the knowledge. It's a test game. But as soon as you complete it, then keep smelling everything. Keep your head up, baby. That's what I teach her. Keep your head up. She jumped real bad. Yeah, she did, man. She did good. Get everything out here. Stop. She keeps holding me, bro. Like, you ain't gonna fuck on me. Yo, Dash, like the girl. Damn. I know I'm on your. And she ain't doing nothing, but she's pulling me. I don't care. So she can pull me how she wants. Like, but it's like she yanked the fuck out of me just now. Like even Sue say he hate that. Like her uncle, Seuss Crash. Yeah, he hates that pulling stuff. Sue Crash does the same thing. Yeah, it makes you feel like bro, like everyone their time and like you know what I mean. Which we are, but in a way. But I understand, Kai. You're a dominant girl. You're alpha material. You know what I'm saying? You don't play that shit. You know what I'm saying? We get it. I feel good, man. We outside. We're outside, baby.
We ain't walking that long hill down there, really. I'm up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can hear you.
That's all mom gotta do. Mom, you don't have to. Mom, like literally, mom, walk car up here. You want to go on up here?
What you eating up
Shit. Go. Don't be fucking pulling me. Stop. Stop. She keeps holding me, bro. I tell you, man. Yes. She's like, you ain't gonna fuck on me. Yo, Dash. Like, Dad, walk fast. I'm girl. I'm coming. Shoot. But they don't trying to take advantage of me, girl. Damn. I know I'm on your pace, Karen. Trust me. My brother laughing. It's just not funny, bro, because she keep pulling. Karen love pulling. She love it. And she ain't doing nothing, but she's pulling me. I don't care. So she can pull me how she wants. Like, but it's like she yanked the fuck out of me just now. Like even Sue say he hate that. Like her uncle, Seuss Crash. Yeah, he hates that pulling stuff. Sue Crash does the same thing. Yeah, it makes you feel like bro, like everyone their time and like you know what I mean. Which we are, but in a way. But I understand, Kai. You're a dominant girl. You're alpha material. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You don't play that shit. You know what I'm saying? We get it. See. Yeah, I feel good, man. We outside, man. We outside, baby. We're outside, baby. We're outside, baby. That's outside, bro. Oh, yeah. We're good. Don't eat nothing. Do not eat nothing.
Coming my way, Kyle. We ain't walking that long hill down there, really. bro.
Yeah.
She not even know I'm up here, bro.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me?
Mm-hmm. Yo, that's all mine. Take your AirPod. Take your
I
AirPods
can
off.
hear you.
That's all mine got to do. Mine, you don't have to be on the hill. Mine, take her up here. Shit.
That's the whole point.
Mine, walk her up
There's
here.
so much shit that.
Come on, like literally, mom,
There's
walk
so
her up here. You want to be on? Okay.
There's some shit that says
I don't know. Get out of here. Come on. Go. That's what it's doing though, baby. LOPD said no. I don't teach car. Don't get too. Man, I'm ready to go to the doors, car. And I already let her do it herself, too. People. The angles, you know what I mean? But she do that, though. Kaboom. I know. Here, push it. Come on. She don't care. Yo, fuck. I'm just trying to get. Cat, stop. Not going outside. No. What you be thinking? It's nighttime, baby. That's the thing. Like, my mom told us, like, yeah, stay away from one outside. I'm like, man, told Kara that. That's Chauncey. That's what's over there. That's the other neighborhood. Hell yeah. I just don't want to feel like being older because it's like, okay, it's just fucking. I ain't got time for that shit. No, at all. But she don't care. I always say she sees something because like crack it. Crack it. Yeah, this crack it is fuck out of here. Hell no. Shit, on the way home now, baby. We're on the way home now. She's one of them dogs. She's not a standstill dog, man. Kara be everywhere, you know what I mean? She be everywhere, man. She's trained like that. She's trained to attack at all times, baby. All fucking times. Girl. If I said she was on point, I just don't got time for her to calculate. Gotta be on point to a point. Like, she don't play. Like, if you're too close to her, like I said, them crackers be far deep. But I told her, "Gotta stay on point." I mean, I don't want to come close to me either. Or if we we're working here, and put motherfucker that I don't trust somebody on car. Stop eating shit. Let's go. Stop. Well, y'all said, okay. Say bye. Hey.
Alright, you beat us.
Hey, Daddy. What's up, Gilly? I know you happy, huh? I know. Come here. Hey, Gilly. miss you too. I miss you too, Carol. Daddy miss you. Kaka baby. Kaka baby. Kaka baby. Hey, Gilly. Hey, baby.
Hello, lady.
Hey, Gilly.
What's up, Chappy? What's up, baby? We got a girl. Got a girl, y'all.
Very good.
Oh, wow. You go? Hey, too. God, how yourself? Say, where the hell my days been? Yes, sir. I told you. You don't miss no days off, man. No days. Miss no days. She ain't here either. Nope. She ain't here at all. God! Guys!
Give me kissy. Give me kissy. Give me kissy.
That's all, girl. How was your day, Kaka? Huh? How was your day, baby? Boy, you stuck in here all day. It's insane, bro. She stuck in this house like I don't think she even walk, guy. I don't think she even did anything, bro. But that's our job, and we're gonna do it how we're gonna do it. And we're gonna get it done. So let's go, baby. Let's go. You ready?
Let's go, Kaka.
Huh? You ready? You ready to go outside and get some? Shit, going on a mission, y'all, tonight. Yes, sir. Yo. On a mission tonight, baby. Hey, y'all off the hill. I know. I'm trying to film everything so I can get somewhat like in the video. Should I put that kind of opposite side, bro? Hi, Kaka. Oh. What's up, girl? What you see? What's wrong? You wanna go back here? Always. That's good though. She learned. She's a good girl. We gotta get warm. We gotta get warm, y'all. Shit. I can't get warm. Well, yeah, that's the thing, man. I always teach her. Well, I teach her all the time. I'm like, okay. Best way to do it is to walk in. Shit, walk in. I mean, and basically, we're not really teaching athletic stuff each and every. Well, sometimes if you want, she feel like work and stuff like that, but other than that, go to the bathroom. Huh? Do what I do. I'm up for the gate. I'm better out doing that shit. I'm up for them. But yeah, when you're in a team of dogs and shit like that, you want your dog, you know what I mean? To always, you know what I mean, be hard. Like I always say, I mean, just different ways. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. How will we go into our other side, right? And see the view and shit, right? It looks different. I'm tired of being out in the city. I want to be out in the suburbs, bro. And we could do more with her. We could train her more. We could work on her more. We could actually do stuff that we want to do. You could do decoy work. We could actually, because people are like, oh, well, a lot of people are asking us, like, people are asking, why you want to do decoy with her? I said, yeah, we want to, but motherfuckers, maybe because we got kids around, right? So they don't want to act.
Yeah, she's not. Yeah, she won't bump me.
Yeah, they don't want to act. Stop. They don't want to. Stop. Chill out. I'm eating on, girl. I be telling you all the time. I'm eating on, baby. Shit. I know, and I'm like, bro, love. But that's the thing, though. Like, Karen just being Karen. Like, and that's one thing.
It's got a. You don't got train.
Yeah.
You just let her.
Yeah. But I always tell you guys, like, we work with Karen. She was a baby. We work with her so much, like, and I love her so good. God, I remember. She knows all the shortcuts. Good, girl. Good. I want to work with her. I want to work with her with different things, bro. Not always being outside around people and stuff, like, and just walking all the time. Like, I want to do more of our playtime in the yard. It's us. It's us, one-on-one. It's us. She can actually sit, the basic commands and stuff. All dogs should know. Sit, lay, heel, stuff like that. We work out. People always say that's the one basic your dog should be on pat. Like, yeah, when she's off the leash and shit, we don't care. Like when she's off the leash, y'all, like, listen, when she's off the leash, we don't care. It be like motherfuckers like be tripping about her. Oh yeah, she off the leash. I don't want to get my kid and shit. Man, fuck it. Like, you know dogs protect kids? Motherfuckers don't know that shit. Dogs protect kids. Yes, dogs love kids. Like, that's one thing. People don't know that shit at all. Dogs love kids, man. Why you think they had them when they had their own mother, like their own mom? Like, why you think when they had mom and dad, right, they had their own fucking kids? Daughter and sons. Like, what the fuck? It's the same shit. I mean, shit. Once, oh, that shit's good the fuck out. But, once, like, Kara have her own babies, it's the same way. She's gonna protect her kids. People always ask them, when are gonna meet with Crash and Kara? I said, yo, we be thinking like that. Kara come and see her friend and shit, man. Just want to simp. Okay.
You be driving all fast. You're gonna come in car smash.
Cause it's a small road. It's not a big road. It's only like 5 inches of road.
Anywhere, like people don't
Or more than that, like 8, I think.
People don't actually care about it.
They don't.
Just for fashion. And you just end up crashing.
At all. But the 5, like, I'll give y'all this detail. The 5 easy tips that you can, don't eat it. I'm not playing. The 5 easy tips that you can train your dog is 1, toys, right? 2, toys. 2, commands. But you gotta work on that. Like, exercising, like, just basic stuff, like the work with your dog, like the communication, bonding. That's easy. That's like you gotta. That's what I said. When you're a baby, you gotta build a bond with your dog. You gotta build a bond with your dog all the time. That's how you get to. Come on, you want my help? But yeah, just one. She uses us for different roles, bro. And she with me is a struggle. My brother, yeah, she can do him all day. Then when it comes to me, it's a whole problem. I gotta fight with her. I gotta wrestle with her. Good girl. I love dogs, man. Fuck people. Shit, I don't give a fuck about nobody, but dogs. For me, that's how we do. Train. You get what I said? Come outside, walk your dog. Like, stuff like that. It should be learned easy when you get your dog. Motherfuckers don't not do that. People is lazy. People don't want to come on. People want to hide in the houses all day and shit. Fuck, man. I work with Kara. A lot of people get dogs for different shit, but anxiety, y'all. That's one of her first poop, y'all. I always clean your system. Like, you feel constipated or you want to just stall, you gotta go back, man. Go to the bathroom, Kara. You ain't got time. Shit. You ain't got to rush. That's one thing I don't do with dogs. I don't rush. I don't rush. Like, people do that shit with their dog. They rush their dog to go back and shit. I don't do that. You got time, man. You got time on your hands, girl. If you gotta go back, I'm good. You know what I mean? But yeah, hold on. Y'all stay tuned. She farted. She found dogs fine. Shit. These locations.